Automotive HVAC Blower Motor Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global automotive HVAC blower motor market size will be $9,124.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 3.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America automotive HVAC blower motor market size of $3,649.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 1.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe automotive HVAC blower motor market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $2,737.3 million. Asia Pacific automotive HVAC blower motor market size of $2,098.64 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America automotive HVAC blower motor market size of $456.23 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa automotive HVAC blower motor market size of $182.49 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.